Unlike genuine safe haven assets, Bitcoin sinks in response to geopolitical fears. Okay, so he says, unlike gold and silver, which of course he's promoting, that's his business, is to promote gold and silver. He says when there's geopolitical fears, Bitcoin goes down. So I've talked about this in previous videos that yes, when there are geopolitical fears and everybody freaks out, they sell what they have to or what they can, not what they want to. So sometimes you get people who sell Bitcoin when they freak out or when the world freaks out sometime. That doesn't mean that they want to sell Bitcoin. That means, on a weekend, it's the only thing they can sell because the stock market is closed. The Bitcoin market never closes. It's 24/7. And so sometimes you see Bitcoin go down because people freak out and they want liquidity in US dollars or some other currency. And Bitcoin's the only thing they can sell that gives them that rapid liquidity because the markets are closed. But again, at other times, he fails to mention that when the 3 different banks failed in March of last year, Bitcoin actually went up because people were worried about the banking system. So it depends on what the sort of global crisis of the day is. But he fails to point out the fact that at times risk and geopolitical fears result in Bitcoin actually going up, not down. And again, he points this out because he is continuing to promote throughout the article gold and silver, which I own gold and silver left over from years ago. It does not work as money. There is no way for me to know whether the gold and silver I own is gold and silver, right? I mean, for all I know, the gold has tungsten on the inside and it's just a gold veneer. And the only way to know for sure is to melt it down, or I could buy a $50,000 spectrometer that would probably tell me what is gold and what is silver. But even then, I have a hard time telling purity. And so, again, this guy acts like the magic solution is gold and silver and ignores the fact that gold and silver do not work as money in a modern economy at all. He's just attached to them and their monetary properties from the past, but they just do not work in a modern economy.